You ever felt like you're just throwing money away on AI subscriptions? Most creators believe they need to pay for ChatGPT Plus, shelling out $20 a month just to keep up. But what if I told you there's a smarter way? In this video, I'm going to show you a completely free AI workflow that not only saves you money, but actually outperforms the paid options. Let's cut the costs and get started with a $0 AI workflow that will change the way you create. Let's dive right into the tools. I call this the AAA free stack: Claude, Gemini, and Grok. Each of these AI tools brings something unique to the table. Claude is fantastic for writing and generating content, Gemini is your go-to for deep research, and Grok is the hidden gem that most people haven't even heard about. Together, they form a powerhouse workflow that covers everything you need, without a single subscription fee. First up is Claude. If you're writing blog posts, scripts, or even emails, Claude is a free tool that rivals the best paid AI writers. The secret is in its context loop, a clever way to bypass the usual memory limits that hold back other free AIs. With a few simple settings, you can keep your conversations flowing smoothly, making Claude feel like a premium tool without the premium price tag. Here, how the context loop works in Claude. By strategically feeding back your previous responses, you can extend the AI's memory and keep your projects organized. This simple trick lets you work on long documents or complex tasks without losing track of your progress. It's a game changer for anyone who needs reliable, ongoing AI support completely free. Next, let's talk about Gemini. When it comes to research, Gemini is a powerhouse. It's not just about searching the web, it can analyze, summarize, and even cross-reference information for you. And here's the best part: Google Vids, a pro-level video engine, is hidden inside Gemini's free workspace. With just a few clicks, you can generate high-quality research and even video scripts in seconds. Most people don't realize that Google Vids is tucked away inside Gemini's workspace. This tool lets you create professional-level video content without paying a dime. Just type in your topic and in 2 seconds you'll have a polished video script ready to go. It's like having a secret weapon for content creation, and it's completely free if you know where to look. Now let's talk about Grok. While most creators focus on the big names, Grok quietly offers advanced features that can supercharge your workflow. It's not widely advertised, but once you start using it, you'll see why it's a must-have. Grok helps you automate repetitive tasks, organize information, and even integrate with other tools, all without any subscription fees. Let's put it all together. On one side, you have the traditional paid AI subscriptions costing up to $30 a month. On the other, you have this free AAA workflow. When you compare the results side by side, the difference is clear. You're getting the same quality but for $0. Why pay more when you can get the same or even better results for free? If you're tired of being overcharged for AI tools, this is just the beginning. There are so many free resources out there waiting to be discovered. Stick around for more tips, tricks, and secret workflows that will help you stay ahead without breaking the bank. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one. That's the difference between paying for hype and working smarter. The free stack wins not because it's free, but because it's strategic. If this saved you even $10 a month, do 3 things. Like this video, it tells YouTube to show this workflow to another creator getting overcharged. Comment free stack so I know which AI tool you want me to hack next. Share this with one person who's still paying for ChatGPT Plus unnecessarily. And hey, subscribe with notifications on. I don't post fluff, I post what actually works at $0 cost. Want to see how to automate this entire workflow or how to make AI videos completely free? Then watch my videos. The link will be on the description. I'll see you in that one. Keep your money, keep creating.